Hey y'all, hey! Welcome back to my channel, Lexquisite Life, where we learn to live our lives exquisitely, one plan at a time. So let's go ahead and hop into this catch-all. This was last week. It was gorgeous, honey. Oh, wait a minute. We jumping too far ahead? Yeah, this is where we want to be. Pop that to the side. And this week I decided to use the Glam Girl sticker book because honestly, I was flipping through and I saw the diamonds and my dog's name is Diamond and I was like, I could do a spread for her. So that's what we're gonna do. And I decided to choose all the dark blues and purples majority to do this spread. So it's going to be gorgeous because I said so. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and use the white out because I don't feel like playing with my Jelly Roll pen. And I'm going to white out these two lines over here because I'm thinking the hello, yeah, she's going to go there and then gorgeous is going to go over here. Yep. And honestly, that's what kind of started the whole spread in the first place. So I figured, well, why not? Why not make it the focal point? So I'm going to go ahead and peel this Hello Gorgeous off. And the Glam Girl was a part of last year's Planner Girls. And I probably have used this one the least out of all the Planner Girls, to be honest. I'm not a real big glam girl, I guess you say. I don't really do a whole lot of makeup. I don't have a whole lot of shoes. So, okay. Hello, gorgeous. And we're going to do some more decorating over that. But first, I'm going to go ahead and set this down in this bottom corner over here. Just because it's so fitting. I advocate glamorous every day, every minute. Dita Von Teese. She cute or whatever. And then the Stay Gold I want to put on Tuesday. Do we want to put her exactly? Yeah, we'll put her exactly in the box this time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why is this box short? That's weird. Well, I'll just put her. I'm gonna have to drop her and put her over because that's the only way to look right now. Whatever. She kind of crooked, but she's staying. And then I want to take this long purple box. I love these kind of boxes. Ugh. I like used most of them out of my I had a gang of them in my Boss Babe sticker book, but I wore that one out like it was going out of style. I don't even know if there's any stickers left. Okay, why am I struggling today, y'all? I'm trying to put this on as straight as possible. And it's still going kind of crooked, but hey, it's on the page. That's what's important. I'm going to use that for my weekly routine that I told you I'm trying to get into the use of all these routines and getting my life together because Lord knows I have to be more productive. So these are actually supposed to be headers, But I'm going to use them as my checklist for this spread. Kind of like I did with those shorter checklists from the Homebody. I probably should have pulled yeah, let me do this. Now I'm gonna have to okay. I'm gonna have to go back to old style and just put all the checklists on the bottom, because that's not even. Sydney, get it together, girl. That's a little bit better. Put that one there for Thursday. And I wanted to use, I thought I had marked the page, but I guess I didn't. Here we go. I wanted to use these Get It Done stickers, but I don't need the AM or PM. So I'm going to cut those off. So I'm just gonna cut them off right where the leopard would start, using my, oh, you guys can't see that, let me scoot it up, using my X-Acto knife and my ruler. There we go. Yeah, okay, stay wild. You ain't working out. You're gonna have to. We about to twerk this real quick. Going back to my old school way of planning real quick, because she was just in the way. Yeah, we'll still keep her right here. Then I'll move this checklist up here. Move that checklist. Yeah, we're gonna have to make some things happen, Captain. Where'd those other checklists go? This just goes to show you, you can pre-plan all you want, but sometimes you gotta change things up to fit what you got going on. Okay, where is the page with all the checklists? There it goes. Okay. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna grab one of these purple checklists. Because even though I love the blue, it is a lot of blue. And we need to tie in some of this purple. So yeah, I'm gonna put that purple there to try to break up some of this. Or no. Well, yeah, because I can't put, yeah. And then I'll put this blue here. And I really don't want to, but I can't leave it without a checklist. We'll come back to that one because we'll see what kind of decor we find first. And then I'll put this one up here for Friday. And one for Sunday. Leave that there. I know y'all tired. I done lifted up darn near every sticker on this page. Sorry, y'all. Trying to get it together. I just don't want it to be too blue in one spot and not enough of another color to kind of like break it up a little bit, but we're working it out. Okay. And then I'll put that one there. Put that one on Saturday. Okay. So, now, as far as decor, or wait, let me do this first. Let me put these boxes down. There we go. Okay, we might be hitting something now. We just might be hitting something now. So, okay, I grabbed this me time sticker. Gonna go ahead and put that on Sunday because those are the days that I do my me time. And then I'm gonna grab this. Yep, this is the color that I'm gonna bring in. Look at God, he just made a way, didn't he? Gonna put this to-do sticker over here. And then I'm gonna put this other to-do. I'll put this one over here, and then I'll move this to-do. These are my only to-dos I have left. I'll put this one over here. Put it down here. Okay. Look, we slowly but surely pulling this spread together, y'all. Okay. No, I don't think I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna, of course, pop some diamonds in because, you know, this did all start with Miss Diamond. And then throw this but first makeup. And this one says every hallway is a runway. And of course we got living my best life. I'm living my best life. We'll put that there. Okay, I'm kind of liking where this is going. I was worried for a minute, y'all. I was just a little worried. So I'm going to take this blue. I'm going to go ahead and put a blue checklist down here for Friday. And Fridays I usually don't have a lot going on. This Friday I was going to try to DoorDash, but I'm sick, so that went out the window real quick. So, y'all, my girlfriend needs Jesus. So, here we are with our spread for October. That October looks so out of place now. Do I want to look for another? Yeah, we're going to look for another October because it doesn't fit our spread now. It's just blah. And we're not blah today. You know, we're living our best life. Giving it all the goods and the glory, honey. Let's see. This October is pink. No, we're not filling that one. Yep, we got an October right here. She gonna fit. So, I'm just gonna wipe this puppy out real quick. And then there we go. That looks better. And this just came out of the happy memory keeping sticker book. And here we are. Here is our spread for October 19th through the 25th using the Glam Girl 2019 version sticker book. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.